B is for builds. Off-road Lamborghini Huracan named the Jumpacan. Oh, that's kind of like Ken Block used to do stuff like that, except he used to be partnered up with Hoonigan, and they would do these really truly amazing type of vehicles. That's where the vibe I'm getting here.
Yes.
But let's check the video a little bit here. This is you got to go out to this location every time as well.
Yeah.
If you're going to do these things.
I believe this is near Vegas.
Is it? Oh, I thought
it's for the race, the Mint 400. And they have this dirt race, I think almost every year.
In Las Vegas?
Yeah, around Las Vegas.
On the outskirts there in Nevada?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Nevada?
So they outfitted they took out a lot of the things from a Huracan.
They did,
and
yeah.
just,
it's like a cage left over. And
created like a Mad Max style dune buggy in a way.
Yeah, built for the Mint 400 desert race in Las Vegas. The Jumpacan was created by Chris Steinbacher and his team at B is for Build to race the Mint 400 annual American off-road race that takes place for 2 days on a punishing 400-mile race course in the deserts of Las Vegas, Nevada. All types of vehicles from sedans and motorcycles to RVs and tanks have made the journey, but never a Lamborghini for obvious reasons. You're in the middle of the desert here. However, that all changes with this particular vehicle because I guess technically it's still a Lamborghini, but it's starting to look more like a Batmobile, like that tumbler thing at this point. But it's pretty cool,
very low.
Man. Look at this thing go. That looks like a time. It looks like a time to be had right there. I feel even a guy like you could have a time in that. I think it beats the driving range. Well,
I think so.
You just got to head out to Nevada, get yourself in this, what do they call it? 400? The Mint 400. My goodness. Look at that. Oh, my God. On the front tires. My goodness. Well, they love it. They built it. Look at all the dust and sand. They love it. Well,
they're having a blast.
You live for stuff like this, don't you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can't hate on that.
Cool. I'll take that over a Cybertruck, actually.